Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. For today's recipe, it is, drum roll, don't knock it till you try chicken feet. I know, it's kind of gross for some people, but in Asia, it is one of our delicacy. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 1 thumb of ginger that we sliced thinly with 1.4 pound of chicken feet that you already removed the nails, obviously, and 3 cups of water. We're just gonna bring this to boil until the water much lessen. I forgot to mention 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. Just mix it and then cover it, and then we're gonna bring this to boil. So boil this for 15 to 20 minutes until water much lessen, and then we're gonna add in the spices. So what I have here, 6 garlic, 1 medium onion, and 3 candle nut with 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. We're gonna turn it into fine paste. Once water lessen, add in the paste, Indonesian bay leaf that we call salam, daun salam. With 1/4 teaspoon of galangal powder and 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander and 1 cup of water. And we're gonna cook this again until water lessen. But we're also gonna add more bouillon powder to taste and sweet soy sauce, ketchup manis, sweet soy sauce. If you want, you can add white pepper powder, but I'm gonna add some dried chilies. And we're gonna cook this until water thickening and way less than what we have at the moment on medium heat. And you can add more sweet soy sauce to make it more darker in color. It's up to you.